Okay, so we're both heading out. I'm taking the Porsche and Hayden are taking Zippy, and we're going to the cat show at the Broadway Theatre today. So that should be pretty fun. And maybe, who knows? They have cats to adopt, so maybe we'll get a cat. Run around, take in this car. Dog show too. I think a dog show would be pretty sweet. But, you know, I'm stuck in Saskatoon traffic. I don't know if I'm going to make it. So I wonder if those guys are here yet. Got 3 tickets, and we're just waiting on those guys to come.
Is this the wrong Sean? Paul?
Oh, yeah? Hey, you want to hold the tickets, Hayden? We just go over here, Hayden. We've already got tickets.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. Go check out the cats. Oh, open stage. Okay.
Oh, well, they could leap over here, so.
Okay. Might get some popcorn or something. That's sweet. Good. Now we're going to save a bunch of money coming that way. So we're all set and ready, and the show's just going to start. Yes? That's where those cats were from, the SPCA.
Yeah, and there's only a few here, but there's a whole bunch more. There's a beautiful orange one, remember? Maybe not very huge.